Pramac Ducati has officially presented its all-new MotoGP rider lineup of Johann Zarco and rookie Jorge Martin alongside the 2021 livery for its factory-spec Desmosedicis. With both Jack Miller and Francesco Bagnaia moving from Pramac to the official Ducati team this year, the Italian factory has promoted Johann Zarco from Avintia and signed Moto2 star Jorge Martin to take their place. Zarco made history for Avintia last season by taking a year-old Desmosedici to the team's first MotoGP pole position and podium. Meanwhile, Martin won 2 races in Moto2, but saw his title hopes dented after being forced to miss 2 rounds when he contracted COVID. While Avintia remains on 2019 spec Ducatis this year, Pramac will again have access to the latest machinery, equal to that of the official Ducati team. Zarco will surely have his sights set on adding to his MotoGP podium tally this season, and matching Miller in at least challenging for Pramac's long overdue first Ducati MotoGP victory. With Martin the only MotoGP newcomer using the latest Ducati machinery, the young Spaniard arguably starts as favourite for Rookie of the Year over new Avintia riders Enea Bastianini and Luca Marini.